up guys, my name is Zahir. Now let's convert this home screen to the Pixel 2 home screen. For that, you will need these 3 apps. Download and install them. The link of these apps in the description box below. I'm not going to show you how to install those apps cause everyone know how to install an app. After installation, just press the home button. Then you see this launcher selection. Select the Pixel launcher. See guys, it's almost done. We got the Pixel launcher and it looks dope. Even we got the animation of Pixel phones. Now let's set the live wallpaper. Tap and hold the screen. Then select the wallpaper. Then select the live wallpaper. Then select this wallpaper. Then hit the set wallpaper. Then select home screen. Done. See those waves guys. Looks cool, right? Now let's get those rounded corners. For that, open the third app, which is the Corny Fly. Then allow all the permission as you see here. That's all guys, you are done. As you see here, this home screen looks